Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you how you can fix this uninstallation error in Windows 10, Windows 11 or any other Windows operating system. So the first thing you'll need to do is open this run command dialog box by using the Windows plus R button. And then here, just type regedit and hit enter. And it will open up this registry editor. Now in the description of this video, I have added this registry path. Just copy it and paste it right here and click anywhere on this blank space. And now find the file's name that you want to uninstall. Once you find a file, click on that, and in the display name section, make sure that it's the right file that you want to uninstall, because if you make mistakes and delete the other files, it can create problems to your PC. Once you are done, right click on the file's name and click on delete. And now your file or game will automatically be deleted from your PC. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.